Hi, I'm Brett from PodActive. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the red ligament and or the hinge, if you've damaged the hinge, on your K8 3.0 braces. So whether it's the graphite, the white, or if you're not using the impact guards for multi-sport use, the great thing about Pod is whether you buy the hinge rebuild kit or just the ligament rebuild kit, they're very easy and fast to rebuild at home or at the track, anywhere once you've got those parts through your local dealer network. The only tools you will require is a little 2mm hex or Allen key. With both the hinge rebuild and ligament kit, you get new screws and nuts as well as that tool, so you'll only require a flathead screwdriver. If you're at home, you can certainly use your traditional hex or Allen keys.